In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop M-PESA pop-up notifications. So if you are receiving a lot of notifications from your M-PESA app, then let me show you how you can stop this for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to stop these pop-up notifications coming from M-PESA app, you need to access M-PESA app information page, and there are two ways you can achieve this. In the first method, you need to go to settings and then tap on it, and then from here look for the option called apps, and as you can see, my apps option is here, and I'll proceed and tap on it. From here you'll see this option called manage apps. Now this will depend on your smartphone. For some phones it will be written more apps or all apps. Go ahead and tap on it. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So proceed and tap on manage apps, and this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from here, look for the M-PESA app by going through the list, and as you can see, my M-PESA app is here. Alternatively, instead of going through the list, you can as well search it on top here. So I'll proceed and tap on M-PESA, and now you see we are on the M-PESA information page. However, if you are getting a challenge to get to this page, let me show you a shortcut method that will take you to the same page. For this, just go and look for your app, and here is my app. Now instead of tapping on it, just go ahead and long press on it, and if I go ahead and long press on it, you can see we have app info option here. So if I go ahead and tap on app info, now this will take me again to the same page. Now once you're on this page, scroll down until you see the option called notifications. So if I scroll down, you can see we have notifications page or option here, and it is currently turned to yes. So if I open it, you can see we have a lot of notifications that have been turned on. So to turn them off, instead of turning one by one here, just proceed and turn off this show notifications option. So if you toggle this off, it will go ahead and turn off all the other notifications that were on. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive those pop-up notifications. However, whenever you send or receive money, you will still receive messages on your normal messages app. That's how you turn off pop-up notifications or advertisements from M-PESA app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.